Hey, I'm Svenja from Fashion Sewista, and I want to show you how you can do this face mask, how you can sew it. So this is really a perfect fitting face mask, down to the chin, up to the nose, with a little bit of cutting for the eyes, and it's really like covering the whole face. And it is coming with a filter pocket on the inside, where you can put in a filter. Ta-da! So if you want to know how you can do this, just stay on this video. Oh, let's start. Here's the filter, and I will recommend to just stitch it all the sides here. So here we will first do the filter. Just, it is double layer. If you did miss out the first videos, it is about doing this cutting pattern and cutting the fabrics and cutting the filter. So if you did miss it, please check out my YouTube channel, Fashion Sewista. You will find all videos over there. Okay, let's go. We just straight ahead stitch it. I will put you on fast forward. Okay, so our filter is ready to go for later. Now we will take our fabrics and we will fold this both guys in the middle. If you want, of course, you can put in a needle over here to just make sure that you will catch the edge. Catch the edge is good. So, and now we will sew here and here and here and here. I will put you on fast forward again. Okay, now this one is ready, and now you already have this kind of a form here for the nose and for the chin, and you can already see that it might really fit really well. Now this is for the upper fabric, this is for the filter pocket, and in my example I did use a seam allowance from 0.8 centimeters. So now I will just, because this will be the filter pocket, right? And if we put some filter inside, outside, inside, outside, of course this fabric will just over time do this, and we do not want that, and that's why we just fold it and fold it 0.4, 0.4. And then we will stitch it again. If you want to, you can choose a zigzag stitch. Zigzag, I don't know if it's called zigzag. Zigzag we call it in Germany. And why I recommend it for beginners and even for not beginners, but I recommend it because I will show you in a second. I will just sew it. So, of course, if you want to, feel free to put in needles wherever you want and wherever you need it to make it, to fix it a little bit better. But I'm sewing like over, I don't know, 400 of years. And I'm just sewing like this. So this is what I want to show you. If you will take this zigzag stitch, this border will be more like a really good, really, I don't know the English word right now, but you can see it. Yes, it's like left and right side, and it's holding all together really good. If you're just putting a straight stitch, you can do that, of course. But if you do a straight stitch, sometimes you will not stitch in the fabric that is in the middle, so I would recommend for you to do this stitch. So now we want to put these two together, right side on right side, the nose on the nose and the chin on the chin. Now I would really recommend to put a needle over here, because you have to make sure that the lines are really on top of each other. And if you want to sew it, you put one seam allowance to the left and one to the right, because if you do it on one side, then one side will be so thick and the other side will be more thinner. And now this, like this, is much more easy to sew and much more easy and much more comfortable to wear it. So you make it like this. On the other side you make the same, like this and this, line over line. And then we take the normal stitch again, and you will sew it here up to here, from here to here, and other side too, from here to here. Okay, so now you take the inside out. And you put your finger inside here and really press this out for the nose. This is like a little curve. You really push it out. Okay. And here for the chin, you do the same. So now we got this one. This is the outer fabric. This is the inside fabric for the pocket. And now we want to, I prefer zigzag again, but you can feel free to take whatever stitch you want here. But I would recommend to really make a safety stitch over here. So if you do not do that, then maybe sometimes the mask will go like this or something. So you really should be careful about, if you already do kind of doing this face mask, you maybe want them to hold a little bit longer, and you want to make a little safety stitch over here. So I will go like this, and I will make a zigzag stitch again, this time a little bit smaller. Okay, just like this. And I will begin, because I do not want this fabric to get loose here, I will begin here with a zigzag, over here, here. Then I will go a little bit up and then here, because later we have to fit this filter in. Yes, and this filter is like 1 centimeter smaller than the pocket and the outside fabric. So if we will make a big zigzag over here, we have to make a smaller filter. Yes, okay, so because of that, it's really like a small zigzag. Okay, I will put you on fast forward again. So, look at this, it's beautiful. Great. So you can see it really will fit really good. This is on the nose, it goes up a little bit. This is down on the chin. And yes, now we just have to sew this one. You know already in my cutting pattern, it's 0.8 centimeters like this. And then I will put it down here, up to here. And I will stay with my zigzag. It's like I make this tunnel, this tube, as big as the filter is, so it will go hand in hand. And you can really see, like, now this fabric will not go up, and here it's all safe. Great. So let me do this here. Yes, congratulations, you're ready. So this is really the perfect fitting, best cutting pattern you can find for face mask. I swear, really. Because I did it myself. It's not to brag, but I really know it's a really, really good fitting cutting pattern. So I would be really honored if you will sew this one, and if you will tell your friends to use this one and just share this link and like it. And yeah, so one thing is missing. We have to get some elastic bands, and we here in Germany, we do it from a jersey fabric, which is 100% cotton too. And if you have a little bit of time, just hop on over to my next video. I will show you how you can do these ones. Yeah, hop on over to my homepage, Sewista.com, and there you can find all the cutting patterns for free for download and sign in my newsletter. So this is a filter. This will of course go inside, and yeah, you have to just put it inside here and make sure that it will fit all up to the nose and down to the chin. And yeah, this is a little bit like tricky, and you have to have a little bit time to do this really correctly. So, but you know how this will work, and I think you can figure it out at home. So the filter has to go inside, right? Up and all side down. So that you can use it. And if you take this outside, maybe you can make some filter, and then you can use this face mask, and during the day, or when you notice that the face mask gets wet a little bit, you can just put out the filter and change it, and then you will be a little bit more protected maybe.